In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print your Asana task list using Google Chrome. Whether you need a physical copy for a meeting or simply want a backup of your tasks, the process is quick and straightforward. Let's walk through the steps together to make sure you end up with a clean, readable printout of your Asana task list. Start by opening the Asana website in your Google Chrome browser. Once you've logged in, navigate to the specific project or section that contains the task list you want to print. Take a moment here to review your tasks. It's often helpful to collapse any sections you don't need or use filters to focus just on the relevant tasks. This can make your printout much clearer and easier to read. Next, make sure that all the details you want included are visible on the screen. If you need to see additional columns, like due dates or assignees, adjust your view accordingly in Asana before moving forward. Remember, what you see on your screen is generally what will appear in your printout, so take a moment to tidy up your workspace as needed. When you're ready, move your cursor to the very top right corner of the Chrome window, where you'll find 3 vertical dots. This is the Chrome menu. Click on these dots to open the drop-down menu, then select the option labeled Print. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on Mac to open the print dialog instantly. A print preview window will pop up, showing you exactly how your Asana task list will look when printed. Here, you'll have the opportunity to select your printer, adjust the number of copies, or change the layout from portrait to landscape, depending on how your tasks are arranged. If your task list is especially wide, landscape mode is often the best choice to avoid cutting off important information. You can also explore other settings in the print dialog. For example, you might want to adjust the scale to fit more tasks on a single page, or turn on background graphics if you need to keep colored highlights. Play around with these options until the preview looks just right. Once you're satisfied, simply click the blue Print button. In just a moment, your Asana task list will come out of the printer, ready for you to use in your next meeting or to keep on your desk as a handy reference. This straightforward approach works well for most browsers, but Chrome tends to give the most predictable results with cloud-based tools like Asana. If you want to save your task list as a PDF instead of printing it straight to paper, simply select Save as PDF as your printer in the print dialog. This can be useful if you want to email the list or store it digitally. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can create a clear, useful printout of your Asana tasks to help you stay organized and on top of your work. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.